So how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So if you like to DIY your car to save some money, obviously you don't want to bring your car to the garage just to get your check engine light or anything you want to reset and pay extra for that. Also, you want to do that yourself. So here we have the most affordable King Bolin OBD2 professional Bluetooth scanner. And this functions almost like the same like the professional scan tool for a lot less cheaper price. Very affordable. So if you just want to diagnose your car occasionally, or you want to reset something occasionally, this is the scan tool that you're going to need. So in today's video, we're going to check out the Ediag link. So guys, let's get started. So here we have the quick start manual. So when you download the app, inside there's a QR code to download the app. You can just scan this to activate the device. Okay. So here we have the full instruction on how to use the unit. Like I said, to download the app, you have to scan the QR code and download the app. Register. You can connect through Bluetooth with your phone, and you can control it through your app. And here we have the Ediag link. It's a very simple packaging. It's just a piece of cardboard with a foam protector so it doesn't get damaged. And it's a very small unit. So this is the most affordable OBD Bluetooth professional scan tool right now from King Bolin. I believe this goes for around 50 bucks. So for 50 bucks, you're gonna get bidirectional and resets and all that, OBD2 functions. But we'll get into detail for that in a few moments. But for now, I just want to show you the difference between the Ediag Elite. So this is the Ediag Elite. This is also an affordable product from King Bolin. And it comes with a nice hard case, so if you want to bring this to your car, put it in the glove box, it's going to be protected. So as you can see, the Ediag Elite is a lot more bigger than the Ediag Link, and also it has these lights here, so to tell you the functions of the actual scan tool. So the size comparison, you can see clearly the difference. And this is a bit more expensive, and I'll tell you the difference later on the video. So first we're gonna check out the Ediag link, test its functions, and you will know what this scanner can do. Okay, so let's talk about the Ediag link. So Ediag link is a plug and play smart diagnostic tool. And it has auto-VIN and OE full function system, and it's also bidirectional, so you can do active tests on your car to find out if the module or the system is non-functional. Good thing about this, you have 10 resets, not like the ordinary OBD2 that you find on the market that doesn't do anything except OBD2. So this one can do 10 hot reset functions on your car. You can grab 4 live data to monitor the functions of your car. Can support up to more than 120 car brands. So with the Ediag link, you have 1 year free update. Then you can do a monthly or quarterly or an annual subscription to update the software on this Ediag link. And also, you know what, even though you don't have subscription, this also functions as an OBD2 scan tool. So like I said before, this tool is only occasional. So if you want to update in the near future for only a few months, or even if you don't do update, OBD2 is still functional. So now let's go check the function on this Ediag link and see what it can do. I do a bin scan, diagnose, I do health report, So it detected 9 DTC. We're gonna clear the DTCs. We're gonna go back. We're gonna do system scan, actuation test. So the actuation test is the bidirectional. So here we have the actuation test for the sunroof. We're gonna do actuation test. We're gonna open the sunroof. Active. Okay. So the sunroof just opened. So bidirectional is working. We're gonna close it. Active. That's good. Stop. So we're gonna check the blower of the AC if it's working. Okay. So the blower is working, so that's good. Actuation test is working for the AC. Go back. So there's so many things you can do here. You can clear fault codes, you can read fault codes, you can do bidirectional, car access system, ECM, fuel pump, transmission control module. You can control the electronic fuel pump, transmission control module, maintenance function. So here are all the resets. You can do oil maintenance reset, electric throttle relearn, ABS bleeding, brake reset, DPF regen, TPMS, steering angle, injector coding, battery matching. But you have to download each one of these resets so you can make them functional. So I'm not gonna download that. So when you get the unit, in case you do want to buy this one, you can just download it and use it to reset your maintenance. Reports. You have the report here. History. The history of what you did to the scan tool, and that's it. So everything else is working. The health report's working, the bidirectional's working, the reset is there. You just have to download it, and that's it. So here we have the side-by-side comparison with the Ediag Link and the Ediag Elite. Basically, they functions the same, but there's difference on other features and also the pricing and the updates. So first of all, we're going to talk about the Ediag Link. So the Ediag Link is only free for 1 year. So you have a 1 year free subscription. And after that, you can pay $30 per year if you want to update your Ediag Link. Now, with the Ediag Elite, this one is a lifetime free updates. So you just basically pay for the unit and you don't need to pay for the update every year. It's good for life. Free lifetime update. As far as maintenance services functions, so the Ediag Link has 10 special function resets, while the Ediag Elite is more than 15 special functions resets. So that's a difference. You have more resets on the Ediag Elite. And the difference, as you can see on the hardware, the size is Ediag Link is a lot more smaller compared to the Ediag Elite. So basically, this is a bit more bulky. And for the price, typically the Ediag Link is about $45 to $60, while the Ediag Elite is typically $70 to $90 on Amazon. So both of them from Amazon, those are the prices. So if you just want to use the product, depending on the application, so this is only for occasional use to reset or fix something for a short term. So that's why if you don't want to buy the subscription, it's still okay, because you're only going to use this occasionally. And for the Ediag Elite, this is for a DIY guy that most of the time they use this to reset the functions on their car or diagnose their cars. Instead of using it occasionally, they're using it like on a weekly basis, sometimes even daily basis, depending on their applications. So those are the difference between the two. So it's just up to you what kind of DIY services that you want to do and how much budget you want to spend on the scan tool. So those are the difference between the Ediag Link and also the Ediag Elite. So it's just up to you which scan tool you want to buy. So guys, that's it for the video. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.